Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy, Travel Guide 22 coming at you live. Well, not exactly live, you know how it is, with a brand new video. We're diving deep into the world of solo travel, and trust me, this is the only guide you'll ever need. Ever thought about traveling solo but worried about safety, loneliness, or planning? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll share the best solo travel hacks and essential tips to make your trip safe, fun, and unforgettable. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready for an adventure. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips because you're not gonna want to miss this. Let's do this. Alright, let's talk about why solo travel is the ultimate game changer. First off, freedom. You're the captain of this ship. You set the itinerary, you move at your own pace, no compromises. Want to spend an extra day exploring that quirky museum? Do it! Feel like ditching the plan and grabbing street food instead? Go for it! Solo travel throws you into the deep end and you learn to swim. You become resourceful, adaptable, and damn, it feels good. You're forced to rely on yourself, figure things out on the fly, and that's where the real growth happens. You discover hidden strengths, become more independent, more confident. It's like a crash course in self-discovery, and the things you learn about yourself are priceless. Plus, solo travel is the ultimate icebreaker. You're more approachable when you're alone, more likely to strike up conversations with locals and fellow travelers. So, if you're on the fence about solo travel, take it from me, just do it. Book that ticket, pack your bags, and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. Alright, so you're ready to take the plunge and embark on your first solo adventure? Awesome. Let's talk planning because a little preparation goes a long way. First things first, choose a destination that aligns with your interests and travel style. Are you all about bustling cities, tranquil beaches, or maybe exploring the great outdoors? Once you have a destination in mind, it's research time. Dig deep. Check out safety reports, visa requirements, local customs, and even the weather conditions during your intended travel dates. Knowing what to expect, even on a basic level, can make a huge difference in your overall experience. Now let's talk about some solo travel-approved destinations. If you're looking for a safe and incredibly efficient country with a unique culture, Japan is a fantastic choice. Portugal is another gem, known for its stunning coastline, delicious food, and affordable prices. For a taste of Southeast Asia, Thailand is always a good idea, with its vibrant street life, beautiful temples, and delicious food. And for those seeking adventure and breathtaking landscapes, Iceland is a must-visit. When booking accommodation, consider factors like location, reviews, and amenities. Opt for places that are centrally located, well-reviewed, and offer social opportunities like communal kitchens or common areas. Planning your solo trip doesn't have to be overwhelming. By researching your destination, choosing accommodations wisely, and considering your travel style, you'll set yourself up for an unforgettable adventure. Alright, let's talk packing, because nobody wants to be that person lugging around a massive suitcase on their solo adventure. We're going for light, efficient, and ready for anything. The golden rule of solo travel packing: less is more. Trust me, you'll thank me later when you're navigating crowded train stations or hopping on and off buses. Aim for a carry-on only situation if you can. So, what are the essentials? First up, a good backpack. Not just any backpack, but one that's comfortable, durable, and has plenty of compartments for organization. Next, let's talk tech. A portable charger is a must-have, especially when you're on the go all day, snapping photos and using navigation apps. Don't forget a universal adapter so you can charge your devices wherever you are in the world. Safety first. Always pack a first aid kit with essentials like bandages, pain relievers, and any personal medications. A TSA-approved lock is crucial for securing your belongings, especially if you're staying in hostels. Here's a pro tip. Invest in a hidden money belt or pouch. This is where you'll keep your passport, extra cash, and credit cards close to your body. Pack versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched. Think neutral colors, comfortable shoes, and layers that can be adapted for different weather conditions. Remember, packing light is all about prioritizing. Alright, let's get real for a second. Safety is paramount, especially when you're traveling solo, but don't let that scare you off. With a few smart precautions, you can have an incredible and safe journey. First things first, share your itinerary with a trusted friend or family member back home. Let them know your flight details, accommodation addresses, and any planned excursions. This way, someone knows your whereabouts and can raise the alarm if anything seems off. Next, research your destination thoroughly and be aware of any potentially risky areas, especially at night. Stick to well-lit and populated streets, and avoid walking alone in unfamiliar or deserted places. Trust your gut instinct. If a situation or a person makes you feel uncomfortable, remove yourself immediately. Download offline maps using apps like Google Maps so you can navigate even without an internet connection. When it comes to transportation, opt for reputable local ride-sharing services or taxis, especially at night. Most importantly, don't let fear hold you back from experiencing all the amazing things solo travel has to offer. Alright, let's address the elephant in the room: loneliness. It's something that every solo traveler experiences at some point, but it doesn't have to be a negative thing. In fact, it can be an opportunity for growth and connection. The key is to be proactive and put yourself out there. One of the easiest ways to meet people is by staying in hostels. They're designed for social interaction, with communal kitchens, common areas, and often organized events. Join group tours or activities. It's a fantastic way to explore your destination with like-minded people. Embrace technology. Apps like Couchsurfing and Meetup can connect you with locals and other travelers who share your interests. Engage with locals. Learning a few basic phrases in the local language can go a long way. Visit local markets, take a cooking class, or simply ask for directions. It's a great way to break the ice and experience the culture firsthand. Don't be afraid to dine alone. It might seem daunting at first, but it can actually be quite liberating. Choose a seat at the bar, bring a book, or simply enjoy the experience of savoring a delicious meal at your own pace. Remember, everyone feels a little lonely sometimes, especially in a new environment. The key is to embrace it as part of the experience. Alright, let's talk money, honey. Solo travel doesn't have to break the bank. With a few savvy budget hacks, you can stretch your travel funds further and experience more for less. First up, transportation. Consider flying with budget airlines and be flexible with your travel dates. Off-peak seasons often offer significantly cheaper flights and accommodations. Once you're at your destination, utilize public transportation whenever possible. It's not only cost-effective but also a great way to experience the city like a local. Accommodation can be a major expense, but there are plenty of budget-friendly options available. Hostels, guest houses, and Airbnb rentals can be significantly cheaper than traditional hotels. Embrace the art of eating like a local. Street food is not only delicious and authentic, but it's also incredibly affordable. Explore local markets, try out hole-in-the-wall restaurants, and don't be afraid to ask for recommendations. Take advantage of free activities. Many cities offer free walking tours, museum admissions on certain days, and outdoor events. Consider a work exchange program. Platforms like Workaway and Worldpackers connect travelers with hosts offering accommodation and sometimes meals in exchange for a few hours of work per day. It's a fantastic way to immerse yourself in the local culture, learn new skills, and save money on accommodation. Remember, traveling on a budget isn't about sacrificing experiences, it's about being resourceful and prioritizing what matters most to you. Alright, fellow tech nerds, this chapter's for you. Let's talk about must-have travel apps that'll make your solo adventure smoother, safer, and more connected. First up, Google Translate. This app is a lifesaver for those times when you need to decipher a menu, ask for directions, or have a basic conversation. Next, Maps.me. Download entire regions or even countries for offline use, complete with points of interest, hiking trails, and even public restrooms. Rome to Rio, the ultimate transportation guru. This app compares every possible mode of transportation from planes and trains to buses and ferries. Airbnb experiences. This app connects you with locals offering unique and off-the-beaten-path experiences, from cooking classes and street art walks to photography workshops and historical pub crawls. For those epic solo food tours, download The Fork. This app lets you book tables at restaurants worldwide, often with discounts or special offers. Perfect for those nights when you don't want to cook or feel like treating yourself. And finally, for all my fellow budget travelers, Hostel World is your new best friend. This app compares prices and reviews for hostels worldwide. Listen, I could go on and on about travel apps, but these are just a few of my favorites. Download them, explore their features, and get ready to level up your solo travel game. Happy travels! So, there you have it, my ultimate guide to mastering solo travel. Remember, it's not just about visiting new places, it's about pushing your boundaries, embracing the unknown, and discovering who you are when you step outside of your comfort zone. Solo travel is one of the most rewarding experiences ever. If you're ready to start your journey, drop a plane emoji in the comments and let me know where you'd go first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel hacks. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and I'll see you on the road. Peace out.